Imagine this. You found your dream home, the inspections are done, the financing is secured, and the closing date is just days away. You're ready to move in and start your new chapter. But wait, what if during those last 30 days something unexpected happened? What if a missing appliance, an incomplete repair, or hidden damage was waiting for you behind that door? Without a final walkthrough, you might never know until it's too late. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. I'm Dario Lorenzo, a dedicated global real estate advisor with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's find your dream home or sell your property for top dollar. Reach out today and let's make it happen. Today, I'm sharing a real-life story about why the final walkthrough is a non-negotiable step in the home buying process. Trust me, this one step could save you thousands of dollars and endless headaches. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll not only learn how to protect yourself, but also gain some pro tips to make your final walkthrough smooth and stress-free. First things first, what is a final walkthrough? It's the last opportunity to walk through your soon-to-be home to ensure everything is in the condition you agreed upon in the contract. It's not just a box to check, it's your chance to verify that the sellers have upheld their end of the bargain. Here's the reality. A lot can happen between signing the contract and closing. Appliances can go missing, repairs might not be completed, and hidden issues could suddenly appear. Skipping this step is like buying a car without test driving it, risky and unnecessary. Let me share a story from one of my clients. A couple I worked with was ecstatic about moving into their new home, but during the final walkthrough, they noticed the washer and dryer, which were supposed to stay, had vanished. Now imagine if they had skipped this walkthrough. They would have walked into an empty laundry room after closing, and they'd have no recourse. Because we caught it in time, I was able to negotiate with the seller to provide compensation, and my clients avoided an expensive surprise. Have you ever experienced or heard of something similar? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Preparation is key. Work with your agent to create a detailed checklist of what you need to inspect. Focus on appliances, fixtures, plumbing, electrical outlets, doors, and windows. This checklist ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If repairs were part of the deal, ask for invoices or photos of the completed work before the walkthrough. Then, double check that everything matches during your visit. Look for spots that were previously covered by furniture or rugs. For instance, is there water damage under the old couch? Are there scratches on the hardwood where the rug used to be? This is your chance to catch hidden problems. Check that everything included in the contract is still in the home and hasn't been swapped for cheaper alternatives. That chandelier you loved, it better still be there. Remember, the home only needs to be broom clean, not spotless. Don't let minor imperfections, like a few scuffs on the walls, steal your focus from bigger issues. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Speak up. It's your last opportunity to address concerns before the home officially becomes yours. Do you have questions about your upcoming walkthrough? Or maybe you've encountered something surprising during one in the past? Let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help and would love to hear your experiences. Here's the bottom line. The final walkthrough isn't just a formality, it's a safeguard for one of the biggest investments of your life. Skipping it can lead to unnecessary stress, financial surprises, and regrets. As your dedicated real estate expert, I'm here to ensure your home buying process is smooth, informed, and successful. From negotiating contracts to navigating the final walkthrough, I'm with you every step of the way. If you're in the market for a home, or even just thinking about starting your journey, don't leave anything to chance. Reach out to me today. Let's talk about your goals, your concerns, and how I can help you find the perfect home with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate tips and insider knowledge. Until next time, let's make your dream home a reality.